Friends, please subscribe our channel and click on bell icon. Please friends, like our video. The cat is a four-footed domestic animal. The cat is a four-footed domestic animal. It looks very beautiful. It looks very beautiful. It has two bright eyes, two ears, and a tail. It has two bright eyes, two ears, and a tail. It is found almost in every house. It is found almost in every house. It is generally brown, white, and black in color. It is generally brown, white, and black in color. It is fond of fish, meat, and milk. It is fond of fish, meat, and milk. It likes warm places to sleep in. It likes warm places to sleep in. It can see in the dark. It can see in the dark. It can climb a tree quickly. It can climb a tree quickly. People keep a cat as a pet. People keep a cat as a pet.